Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the link below because we are going to work with water slide decals for the first time for me. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Hi guys, it's Stacy. I said that already, didn't I? I don't know, it's already been a long day. I'm going to be working with water slide decals. So I bought these a while ago. So this one says Vintage Girl. It's got the pink truck. I think it's super duper cute. It's not the one we're going to be working with today though, because I also ordered this little number. Isn't it sweet? It's a sweet little horse, right? I thought it was a unicorn when I bought it, to be honest with you, but it's not. It's a horse. It's a horse and it's got pretty purples and blues on it. And I cannot, for the life of me, find any project that I want to put it on, like furniture-wise or anything like that. So I decided, this is a Dollar Tree canvas. The horse fits just perfectly on there. So I'm going to attempt to use the water slide decal on, did I say canvas? Hang on. Nope, I said it right. I had to check. We're going to put the water slide decal onto the canvas and then do sort of a mixed media on it and do a piece of art for my shop. I don't typically do my own artwork for my shop because I have no talent. I can't do this. Like, I was doing drawing classes, but this is beyond my skill. This is super duper pretty. And I thought once the water slide decal is on there and I've put a clear coat over it or some kind of glaze over the top, we could go ahead and embellish it a little bit and see how that goes. I might be wasting a $16 decal. I don't know. But it's worth a try. So we're going to do it. I'm going to start by opening up this canvas and getting it primed. So to prime it, ordinarily you'd use something like a gesso. I don't have any gesso. Gesso? I say gesso, which I don't have any. So I am going to use paint. That's all I got. I have latex paint. I have a lot of latex paint. I don't think I have any acrylic paints. I might have some acrylic paint somewhere. I can't get this open. Where's the scissors? Don't do this at home. Save your teeth. Or if you do, don't say I told you to. I did not. But anyway, we need to prime these canvases because the canvas is just going to absorb any water that I put on it. And my understanding is with the water slide decal, you want to have the surface have just a tiny bit of water so that you can properly place your decal. And to do that, I'm going to need to coat it with something. So I'm going to use latex paint. And we're going to let that dry. So let me get some latex paint, get it coated, and we'll go from there. Okay, this is dry. And now I've cut the water decal down. This is the water slide decal down to fit in the confines. There was a lot of white space around it, and I wasn't sure with the water slide decal what it was going to look like wrapped around the edges, so I wanted to make sure there was no edges to wrap around. So I just trimmed mine off, and now I'm going to go get it wet. And they said I can do this in a bowl, or I could do it in the sink, and I have a sink right next door, and the bathroom is right through that wall. So I'm going to go over there, and I'm going to just run it under the water and come back. It's really wet. You can actually see right through it. So my understanding is get the surface a little bit wet here. I've got some water here just in case. I'm going to lay down a little bit of water because that helps it move around, is what they said. So nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous. Okay. And then you slide. Oh, look at that. You just slide the decal up. There's, you can see like this clear piece coming up, and I'm going to put that down. Ooh, ooh. I've got wrinkles, guys. I have a feeling this is not going to be something I'm good at. Okay. And then once you have it down, you can start slowly like tugging this out from underneath. Do I need like a soft brush or something? Oh, there's like water bubbles underneath it. Okay, so you got to get the water bubbles out from underneath it. Got it. Okay. So I'm going to push on the edge with this brush while I pull to try and keep the wrinkles down. Let's see if that works. Oh, it's all wrinkly. I'm not doing well. I don't like it. Well, a lot like my daughter. If I don't do really perfect at it the first time, I don't like it. Okay, hang on. It's so pretty. I hate that it's wrinkling. I'm really glad I did not try this on furniture first. I'm going to use this brush to try and push the wrinkles out. It seems to be working, actually. So pushing the water out, pushing the wrinkles away. Ooh, I'm glad I thought of the brush. This is actually helping a lot. I didn't receive, when I received this water slide decal, there was no instructions with it. So I kind of had to do the Google thing. And the brush was not mentioned. It was just slide the backing out and off you go. Well, not quite. You gotta push this water out. That'll bring the wrinkles out. You can see on the one side, it's laying flat, and on that side, you're getting wrinkles, bubbles and wrinkles. So let's just keep pushing. We're just gonna keep pushing them. It said, you know, that you should be able to move it around. I am not able to move this. This is not sliding around. Maybe it's because of my surface that I chose. I did not choose like a furniture surface. I chose a textured surface, was probably a bad idea. You know, that's the problem with being a kinesthetic learner, is like, you got to ruin one to figure some stuff out. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm pulling. I'm tugging. It's moving. All right. got a water decal on a canvas. Yeah, there's still some zhuzhing to do here. This is a skill, guys. This is not a beginner level. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't do this on furniture because I'd be really upset right now. This is pretty though. We can make art out of this. We're gonna make some art. I don't even think we need to clear it. I think we go right over the top. I think this is just laser printer paper, by the way. I think you can make your own water slide decals with this because it just says laser clear water decal paper. So this is just laser printed. If you have a laser printer, I believe you can make your own water decals, water slide decals. So this is, I mean, somebody's making bank on Etsy. That's what I know. It's cute. It's a cute horse though. I like the horse. I like the colors. So let's make some art. Okay, I got a purple metallic, a blue metallic, an opaque turquoise, and I've got my own glaze that I mixed up, which is sort of the purple pink that's in the photo or art. And we're going to see what we can do here. Okay, so I think I'm ready to show you guys my creation. First of all, my thoughts on using water slide decals. They're nice as far as you can make your own images, things like that for furniture. But here's the thing, it takes a little practice. Like, I am so glad I didn't try this on furniture the first time because I would have been really upset, like really, really upset. And I think, you know, buying a water slide decal from someone on Etsy or I don't even know where else because that's where I found mine. They're a bit pricey to practice with. I feel like I'm going to get hate from people. Like, there are going to be people like, you just did it wrong. Of course I did it wrong. There were no instructions for it. No instructions came with this. And that was really frustrating to me that you order something and it's like there's no even kind of guidelines on how to use it, how to protect it, any of that stuff. So being that it's just a thin film, it actually feels like plastic wrap. That's what it felt like when I pulled it off. It's like plastic wrap. It's obviously not plastic wrap because you can print on it and do this stuff to it, but that's the thickness and consistency of this product is like plastic wrap. So putting it on a surface of some kind, you're going to see like a variation or an edge. So you're going to have to do some kind of clear coating over the top of it if you're doing it on furniture. That being said, I think I'd like to practice and play with it a little more. I don't have a laser printer because it sure would be nice to like print your own designs. I really wish I could get some of the paper and just print my own designs to play with it and try to master it, because I feel like it's a little spendy for me to keep buying them to practice, because I don't think this is even a 2 times, 1 shot, you've learned all that you need to learn kind of thing. And yes, I watched the YouTube videos, so it wasn't very helpful, to be honest, it was like, they made it look like, you know, it was the simplest thing on planet Earth. And that's because they've done it 100 times and I have not done it 100 times. And I struggled. I've got wrinkles on my horse. They ain't going away. But it's good. I think if I can practice with it and I can try different techniques, I think they'll look nice. Because, I mean, let me just show you. And this is my art project, so be kind. But I just went ahead and colored over the purples and the blues to make it more vibrant. And then I did a pink wash over the whole thing. And I'm still struggling with if I'm going to do more. I might do more later. I might embellish it a little bit more, but here's what I came up with so far. So you can see now everything kind of glitters. And then there is a pink wash, so the horse is more pink. I think I'm gonna do more. I think I wanna put some glitter in places and maybe frame it in some way with maybe tissue paper or decoupage paper. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what I ultimately want this to look like, but this is what we've got right now. So the water slide itself, you can see the wrinkles. When I glazed it, the wrinkles became very evident right over here. And I pushed and pulled and they were just like, they were not coming out. So, but it lays down clear. You will see every little fiber hair piece underneath it. So just be aware of that they are very clear. Very, very clear. Because I have a dog hair under there. And it's under it. And you can see it. But other than that, you know, I think once I get the hang of it, it'll be kind of fun to put some images on like drawer fronts. That's what I'm thinking. Like I wouldn't want to do a big surface like this. That might be a little too much for me. But I was looking at the horse and I was thinking, you know, if you could do like little drawer fronts or around like where the handles or drawer pulls would be, it'd be kind of fun if I can somehow find a way to inexpensively test and try again. I'm definitely not going to spend $16 to play. This was my $16 play. I do have one more decal left, and that is the Vintage Girl truck that I'll probably do on like just a wall hanging for myself. It's definitely not going in the shop because I don't think anybody but me will want it around here. But this will be my next trying to get it right the second time. But hopefully, maybe I can find an inexpensive water slide decal that I can keep playing with, because I really think that it'd be a fun embellishment if I could figure it out. So you might see me testing little other ones in the future. If you watch the daily vlog, you might see me playing with things in the daily vlog. So, but thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, click that blue box. And if you'd like to buy one of the Happy Junkin shirts or the Second Mouse Gets the Cheese shirts, those links are available down below. If you'd like to send me a Thrift Flip challenge project, then you can send that or anything else you'd like to the P.O. Box. Nothing weird. Thank you very much. If you'd like to buy me a coffee, you can do that as well. It's like Patreon without the monthly commitment. That money goes directly back into the channel, so maybe I can buy another decal. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy Junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin' videos.